What's the meaning of bell push? Bell push. Bell push.
Bell push. Bell push. A bell push is a small device that is used to activate an electric doorbell. It typically consists of a button that is pressed by a visitor or homeowner, which sends an electrical signal to the doorbell chime inside the house, causing it to ring. Bell pushes are often installed outside front doors or gate entrances, making them a convenient way for visitors to announce their arrival. In addition to their functional purpose, many bell pushes also boast attractive designs and finishes, adding a touch of style and elegance to the entrance of a home or building.